Aku lah te tona ka la o poko ko la yoko rough ridge lo ka chelo. Khalo ka chele.
Ko mo na ati te juni ko la kala mat ni la le.
Khalo ga le te po. Happy lo la. Ngo happy le mamo jolo.
Ko ati to tai ngam no cha tu ka ka. Ya te po ge bi.
Ave te me, chero ke le ta ta ki to ya ni che da chalo. Thoda sa ma ke ja te pa.
Khalo ve che imayo.
Apollo. We're gonna go all the way out there.
Okay, up there. Okay.
Hello. Ako.
To not to very much to
Blue da da. Hey, ni se. Hey, ni se.
Now we can call it a bit.
Aku boleh. Kena aku semua
I applied at a Chicopee Garden Glass, which is a museum there.
Hey, ni se.
And I
Hey,
always
ni
moved
se.
to Seattle. And then,
La ko nga pa sa so hula pa mo.
Papa le.
and the
Ngo khalo ga he no nya to u tha.
Ko ta.
Te pone ni mala he ko ngo.
On the hill.
Tunggu ga sini tunggu.
Na tu lo ke thalo ta tu do lo che nga he te pa.
Kena ya.
Da ja.
Nga he te pa.
Te sa ko ga cho ta ro.
Te sa kho ga su ma ta te ta ngo che kho ke thala.
Da ja le.
เรื่องนี้ข้าจะให้เฉลยมาให้มาพ่อได้จัดตัวละกันไหม
Ngo me.
Curu ya kok.
อ้กว่าป้าหวานอันนี้ถอนแล้วก็
Yeah, I'll take picture here. 1, 2, 3.
about an hour from here but originally we're from Laos yeah it's like Southeast Asia
Okay.
Laos and then maybe you know Thailand
Yes, the Thailand I know because now it's very popular for
yeah
tourists.
originally from Laos and then we moved to Thailand and then from Thailand we came
Okay.
this country so
I living in Pennsylvania, so I was driving like 9.5 hours.
Oh.
yeah we just live about an hour not too far from here
It's so beautiful here.
and we also camping you know over here too this weekend anyway just about 15-20 minutes down the road yeah over there so and then we just come up here for hiking you know yeah but I mean we live here for so long but never been on this
Oh yeah,
first time
I love hiking. I hiking every weekend.
I know but uncle was like we've been here for 20 years why we never thought of you know to come to this over here
I just back a week ago from Colorado. I was there for 2 weeks hiking at Yellowstone, Colorado.
Yeah, my boys too. I mean, you know, I got kind of older kiddos too. They love to go over there to Colorado. So, yeah.
卡路嘎嘿，哦，塔路嘎啦。
Ta le chutro ke ro ga be mi che. Chi ke che na ma ji ro. Ah, u te ha tai cho ro u te kha sa.
那就点卡路点海个干哪的？
Tai se.
那就点。
Ah, tu we ke thia se ro tu.
Oh, sweat.
That is awesome. You guys have a great one.
I think we could sit there.
Andy, you should go over there. Don't go over there.
Oh, this one almost cracked. This one.
Now almost cracked.
Wow, that's good. Oh, there it is. That's where the trail goes. Why didn't I see it?
You're going the wrong way.
And then you'll end up over around that hill.
All the way over there.
Oh, yeah. Way past the viaduct. There's the shark.
Yeah.
That'd be a really good one. But
Well,
it would
that's
take
what we thought, you know.
Yeah.
when we were young. And you started, we passed on the right before this, just before this, there's a, at Price and at Moses Cove.
Okay.
So I thought we would drive that way. But if you need
I mean, right now.
for some reason they closed the ranger station during COVID for like 2 years.
Oh, wow. Rock climbing skills. How do you get so fast? You got it? I mean, you're not going to fall. If you fall, you're just going to like... Slide.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm just going to scoot down a little bit.
Okay. Be careful.
Up on the rock mountain. Oh my God! Look at Blue Ridge over there. The road.
Beautiful.
You should come next time.
Who do you talk to, Brianna?
Yeah, Brianna.
Mà lũ ta gì mà khe về lũ chả là gì?
Có thể mà ta tới đâu? Nó là chỉ là hai quả là cuối người phải quả là.
Kenapa về lũ ta gì mà bên?
Chia là mà chia đào qua đây này.
Ông có thằng ngà về ngà ra ngà họ ngà hát tiếp à? Kalau gale,
Cái mà kia lũ.
kalau gale po mo.
Boring bra. Hai kia thế chỗ lũ kia lũ, hàm đi thà lũ lê xí lũ chỗ.
Kalau le khapa.
Chúng ta nói về lại phụ nữ chơi.
In there, yummy. You can put a little bit water first.
Nghe cái này đó là
Why
tập.
it's a long fall, no anything there.
Well, the windswiper.
Yeah.
Watching the windswiper is not in rain.
Nó rồi họ cái lý mà dễ vì tình cho mặt ta lâu ra lụt
But they are. They don't. Not. It won't affect nothing. Windswiper. Mặt soi mặt luôn.
Oh, right there. I took them like this. My back is like wet. Are you peeping? There you go. Does it look cool?
Kalau gale ngà họ ngà ngà ra tiếp à? Kalau gale.
Go with them halfway.
Okay.
没有时间了。
La puse en break.
Well, no, in Charleston, that's where it started. And then she moved and told me to post to a couple months ago.